The guru here, coming at you with another video. And before we get started, make sure you're subscribed with that bell notification clicked. Okay, you saw that star anise, and then I just smashed up a little bit of myrrh. If you guys want to know the real benefits of all of the amazing herbs that you're going to see in this video, make sure you check out my blog, because there is no way I can tell you this fast. So I am beginning to boil the myrrh a little bit, because remember, we're just extracting all of the beautiful elements out of all of the different herbs and resins we are using. So just giving this a quick stir and using some star anise. This is an absolutely amazing herb. One of the things that blew my mind, I shouldn't say herb, seed, and it's absolutely amazing. Not only can you put this on your hair to maximize hair growth and repair the follicle, but you can also intake it, because remember, like I taught you guys on the last video, healthy hair starts on the inside. So yes, putting things on your scalp, that's great. Oop, and there go flax seeds. You guys know all about flax. Of course, putting things on your scalp is great, but if hair starts on the inner level, just imagine how fast your hair will grow if you ingest all of these things. Everything that I am teaching you guys how to make, you can also ingest and use as a tea, and I actually really recommend you doing exactly that. Now, I added flax seeds. The next thing I'm going to add is chia seeds. Now, chia seeds has the same type of properties that flax seeds do have, but they are a little different. That's why you guys have to check out my blog post, because as you can see, there is no way I had enough time to tell y'all all about this. Okay, so I'm giving this a good stir, and you will notice that it's going to start bubbling on the top. Now, next, I am going to add some hibiscus powder. Coming up in a video very soon, I'm going to show you how to make your very own hibiscus powder. Now, you guys, with hibiscus for hair growth, you have to use every part of the flower. So not just the actual pretty flower, but the leaves. The leaves are actually more potent than the flower is. Okay, and once again, all of that information will be left on my blog. Now, you can see that there is like a little film coming on the top with this hibiscus added. You have to make sure you keep stirring, because it likes to try to be on its own, and you want them to be together with the group and the rest of the people. Okay, so already in my house, it smells absolutely amazing. Now, everything that we use for our hair doesn't smell amazing. Like neem oil, it smells like, some that's not that great. However, it should not be such a rancid smell that you can't take it. You want to impart beauty into your body, and your body responds by giving you even more beauty in return. That's beautiful skin, beautiful hair. Yes, so as you can see, it's beginning to thicken up a lot for us, a whole lot. Normally you guys see videos about flax and chia seeds should not be confused together. They actually have very different histories and origins, so we'll go really deep into that, you guys. So you have to make sure, like I said, you check out that blog, because y'all not even ready. So after this has boiled for approximately 15 minutes, it has gotten very thick. Now, of course, you need to let this dry, honey. But once it dries, you can go ahead and strain it just like you would strain anything else. In this case, I just went ahead and used the stocking cap. I'm gonna be honest, this time I was just making my normal batch for myself, and I was like, wait a minute, we gotta record it for the new people, girl, for the new channel. I love y'all. Okay, so I've already made one batch a little earlier. That's the little dried hibiscus that you can see at the bottom. But now I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze. You will notice this is not as thick as your normal flax gel would be, because we're not making gel. We are actually making a treatment that is going to infuse itself into your scalp and down deep into the follicle, the hair bulb, and go past the hair bulb to all, where all of the growth is happening. soothing. Yes. So not only should you do this on a regular basis, you should also be drinking hibiscus tea, because hibiscus tea has so many amazing benefits for hair growth from a internal level, you guys. Like a cup of hibiscus tea a day, honey, yes, along with some anise tea. And I'm going to teach you guys how to make all of that stuff on my blog. You guys, make sure you're patient with me, but this recipe is live and ready to go right now, but the rest of them, they're coming, they're on the way. Okay, yes. So now we are all done. I'm going to go ahead and strain it inside of this cup thingamajigger, and then yeah, see me use it and stuff. I love you guys so much. I'm not going anywhere. You're gonna see me again in a minute, but make sure that you rate, comment, subscribe, share this video. It is helping so much, you guys. It's only been a week and we already have passed 1,000 subscribers, so I am so excited to see where we go from here, because you guys, a week and 1,000 subscribers, thank you. Just because you have a bunch of subscribers on one channel doesn't mean you're gonna have a whole bunch on another, so thank you. But let's get into it. Drop the Cheeto, bro. This has been sitting for like an hour. And I was watching stuff on my phone. So I didn't even realize, ouch. I didn't even realize it was drippity dropping. Oh Lord. Sorry, I'm a little short there, guys. Just a little height challenge there, guys. Tall. So remember, I have high porosity hair, so there is no dryer time. And even though it does stain, as you see, it does not stain the skin because it was there. That's why I just alrighty. So here we go. And I don't know, I just feel like the way that my curls look is evidence of how bomb this is, you guys. Now, let me say this. When you first put it in, oh, and this is what my hands look like. So my hands are not stained. So one thing you will notice as you're putting it in, initially when it first goes into your hair, you won't feel a whole bunch of slip and all of that. Like, that's not how it's gonna feel at first. Understand that most of the time when you feel a whole bunch of slip in products, it's because of silk amino acid, or just you know, because of different silk proteins and stuff like that. So but at this point, it's been sitting on for an hour and my hair feels amazing. Like the slip that you would be looking for initially at first, I have now. What's wrong, baby? No, Bill, no. Come this way.